In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your browser color on Opera GX. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the theme controls and how to switch your browser's look in just a few clicks. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer, so you're looking at the main browser window. Everything we need is built right into the interface. In the top right corner, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That button opens Easy Setup, which is a quick panel for appearance and other common preferences. Click it, and a sidebar will slide out. Inside Easy Setup, scroll until you see the Themes section. This is where you can instantly switch the overall color of the browser. You'll see options for light, dark, and auto. Light gives you a bright, clean look. Dark reduces glare and is great for low-light environments. And auto follows your system's theme, so the browser changes automatically when your device switches between light and dark modes. You can make your choice right here in the Themes row. Click the option you prefer, and the change applies immediately to the browser frame, tabs, and menus. If you don't love the result, just click another option to compare. There's no need to save Opera GX updates on the spot. If you'd like to explore more styles, click Show, all in the same themes area. This opens the full theme gallery, where you can browse additional presets and visual variations. Take your time scrolling, and when something catches your eye, select it to apply. You can always back out and try another until you find the look that fits your setup. The preview is instant, so it's easy to fine-tune without commitment. That's all there is to it. Open Opera GX, use the 3-line Easy Setup button, choose Light, Dark, or Auto right in the panel, or open Show All to pick from more options. Whenever you want to refresh, return to the same place and switch it up again. Enjoy customizing your browser to match your style.